In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if Instagram Music is not working for you in 2023. What you need to do first is go to the App Store actually and make sure you have updated the app. As you can see from the day that this is recorded, there was an update 4 days ago, and if you haven't updated your app, you're not gonna have Instagram Music likely because there were some bug fixes. So let's wait for the app. After Instagram is updated, just open it, and now when you go to post a story, you see that music is most likely on. If you don't find the music that you're looking for on the browse section or for you section, there are two options. Option one is that the song is not actually in the Instagram system, but option two, which you can actually fix, is go to your, and option two is something that you can actually fix if you go to your profile and then go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down all the way to the end till you see account status. When you click on account status, if your account, there is one more fix you can do, and it is actually in your profile. When you go to, there is one more thing you can do, and it is to actually go to your settings tab. There is one more thing that might stop you from getting all the musics in the the other thing that you can fix actually is the other problem might be with your account type, and that's actually something that you can fix when going to your profile, clicking on the three lines on the top right, and then clicking on settings and privacy, and then scrolling all the way down until you see account type and tools. And if your account is a professional account, you won't be able to have all of the music from Instagram. So you have to switch it to personal account if it's a professional account currently. So those are two fixes. Let me know if this video helped you out. See you in the next one.